Well, I'm trying to do a little video again because there are still some problems with people that want to treat textile product. This is a suede shoe. Well, suede leather is like the textile, it's absorbent normally, so we can take this as an example. So let's say if you have to treat this suede shoe, you take a little bit of water. You have to do the drop water test like I told you before, and if you put that water on there, you see that it doesn't absorb the water, it's completely repelled. That means this shoe could not be treated because it's already treated. Now you take something else. I take this textile, and if I put the water in, a drop of water there, and I wait a little bit, I put it away, and you see that the water did adhere to that surface. That means this surface is not coated, so we can coat it. This is the test you have to do. Then you just take the bottle and you take a normal distance, 20-30 centimeters, and you just spray on the surface. Now, I hope that you can see that here. It's a little bit more, you see that the color changed because it's wet. No, it's not wet, it's humid. When you touch it with your hand, you feel that it's humid. So for me it's the same, you know, I say, well, okay, it may be good. Then you see that. So it's humid everywhere, and you just put it away and wait until it's completely dry. It can be dry in 5 hours or 6 hours, even 12 hours or 24 hours. I can't say which kind of textile you are coating and how long you have to wait until it's dry. So then you wait until it is dry, and when it is dry, you make the test. I take my suede shoe as well. I take it back. This is the shoe that you saw that it was treated. Then you put some water on it. Difficult to see. I'm alone to do the video, you see. But you see that it's completely repelled. So this is then the result that you need. So that means it's important that the textile is not treated with something else, and that you do this drop of water test. You have to do that to be sure that you can really treat this textile. Remember what I said you in the other video, it's like when you coat something else, or when you want to paint a wall. You can't paint a wall that is dirt, or you can't paint a car that is rusty. You have to take that away. So you have to understand that. The ceramic film wants to adhere on the textile, on the fibers of the textile, and he only can do that if this textile is dry and clean. Otherwise, imagine you have something on the textile already, a coating or a sealant from someone, then you coat the existent sealant and you don't coat the textile. You have to be sure that our ceramic film is on the textile and there is nothing between them. This is the reason why you have to do these tests. Do some tests. Make the test with a paper, because if you use a Kleenex paper, it's easy. This is a kind of Kleenex paper, you know. There it's very easy to do the test, because with a little product, it's not humid, it's nearly wet, you know. So now you just let that dry, and when it's completely dry, you do the same test. You put the water on, and it has to work. And this is the first little test you can do, and then you do some tests yourself, and it has to work. And if you have any problems, then you contact us again.